Cryptocurrency is becoming super popular. It's not just a buzzword anymore, it's a revolution in the way we think about money and transactions. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, these digital currencies are making waves across the globe. More people are interested in buying it. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, the world of cryptocurrency offers something for everyone. It's a new frontier that's attracting a diverse group of people. Maybe you've heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are just the tip of the iceberg. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and potential. These are digital currencies like money for the internet. They allow for quick, secure, and borderless transactions. Imagine sending money to someone halfway across the world in just seconds. It's exciting to be part of something new. The thrill of watching prices surge, the joy of being an early adopter, and the potential for significant returns make it an exhilarating experience. But where do you start? The world of cryptocurrency can seem overwhelming at first. With so many options and new terms to learn, it's easy to feel lost. How do you buy cryptocurrency? The process might seem complicated, but it's actually quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. From choosing the right exchange to making your first purchase, we'll guide you through each step. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. With user-friendly platforms and plenty of resources available, buying cryptocurrency has never been more accessible. You can start with just a few clicks. This guide will help beginners like you get started. We'll cover everything from setting up your first wallet to making your first transaction. By the end, you'll be ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Think of buying crypto like online shopping. You need a platform, a website or app to buy and sell. But not all platforms are created equal. Choosing the right platform is important. It's like picking the best store for your needs. It's like choosing your favorite store. You want a place that feels right for you. You want a store that's easy to use and trustworthy. Security is key when dealing with your investments. Some platforms are better for beginners. They offer user-friendly interfaces and educational resources. They have simple designs and helpful guides. These can be invaluable when you're just starting out. Let's look at some popular options. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses. Some platforms offer lower fees, while others provide more advanced trading tools. User reviews and ratings can also help you decide. Look for feedback on customer service and reliability. Ultimately, the best platform for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Finding your crypto home can make your trading experience smoother and more enjoyable. Coinbase is a great option for beginners. It's like the Amazon of crypto. It's very user-friendly. Signing up is easy. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular coins. Coinbase has clear explanations. You'll learn about different cryptocurrencies. They have good security measures to keep your money safe. Binance is another popular platform. They have a huge selection of cryptocurrencies. If you want more options beyond the basics, Binance is a good choice. Binance is known for its low fees. You'll pay less when you buy or sell crypto. However, Binance can be a little more complicated to use than Coinbase. Kraken is known for its strong security. If safety is your top priority, Kraken is a good option. They have been around for a long time and have a good reputation. Kraken also offers advanced trading features. These features are better for experienced traders, not beginners. Gemini is another platform designed with beginners in mind. They focus on making things easy and secure. They have a clean and simple interface. Gemini is a good choice if you want a straightforward platform with a strong focus on security. They also have helpful customer support. Buying crypto is exciting, but safety is important. As the world of digital currencies continues to grow, so do the risks associated with it. It's crucial to understand that while the potential for profit is high, the potential for loss due to security breaches is equally significant. Here are some tips to keep your crypto safe. Following these guidelines can help you protect your investments and ensure that your digital assets remain secure. Use strong passwords. Create a strong, unique password for your crypto accounts. A strong password typically includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Don't use the same password for other websites. Reusing passwords across multiple sites increases the risk of a security breach. If one site gets compromised, all your accounts with the same password are at risk. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security. This means that even if someone gets hold of your password, they would still need a second form of verification to access your account. It requires a code from your phone to log in. This code is usually sent via SMS or generated by an authentication app, making it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Beware of scams. Be careful of phishing emails or websites asking for your login information. Scammers often create fake websites or send emails that look like they come from legitimate sources to trick you into giving away your credentials. Legitimate platforms will never ask for your password. Always double-check the URL of the website you are visiting and be cautious of any unsolicited communication asking for personal information. Remember, keeping your crypto safe is your responsibility. It's important to stay informed about the latest security practices and to regularly update your knowledge as new threats emerge. Take precautions and be aware of potential risks. This includes not only securing your passwords and enabling 2FA, but also being mindful of where and how you store your crypto. Consider using hardware wallets for long-term storage and avoid keeping large amounts of crypto on exchanges. Regularly update your security measures. As technology evolves, so do the methods used by hackers. Keeping your software and devices up to date can help protect against new vulnerabilities. Educate yourself about cryptocurrency security. There are many resources available online, including forums, blogs, and official guides from reputable sources. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to protect your assets. Use reputable platforms. When buying, selling, or storing crypto, choose platforms with a strong track record of security. Look for reviews and do your research before trusting a platform with your assets. Be cautious with public Wi-Fi. Avoid accessing your crypto accounts over public Wi-Fi networks, as they can be less secure and more susceptible to hacking. Back up your wallets. Regularly back up your crypto wallets and store the backups in a secure location. This can help you recover your assets in case of a hardware failure or other issues. Stay vigilant and proactive. Security is an ongoing process, and staying one step ahead of potential threats is key to protecting your crypto investments. By following these tips and remaining aware of the latest security trends, you can help ensure that your digital assets remain safe and secure. I remember when I first started with crypto. It seemed complicated at first, but I started small, did my research, and learned along the way. It's an exciting journey. Don't be afraid to start small. Learn about different cryptocurrencies. Take your time and invest responsibly. Choosing the right platform is the first step. Remember to start small, learn, and stay safe. Welcome to the world of crypto.